call this a rice noodle salad, but it's a lot more than a salad. Today I want to show you how to put together this beautiful, full of flavor rice noodle dish. It's a cold salad with a touch of heat from the way that we're going to cook our shrimp and add it into the salad. Let's put this all together step by step. Cook those rice noodles as directed on the package, and then what I do is just run some cold water through them and drain them again just to cool them down nice and quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and layer in my salad. I've done really thin slices of all my vegetables, thin and long, so red onion, I've got some red bell pepper, some cucumber, green pepper, and I love those sugar snap peas, so those are going in. The juice of an entire lime. I'm going to use some rice vinegar and a bunch of sesame oil in there as well. Give it some pepper if you like. I always like a little bit of that just to season it up, and then a good mix. If you're like me and you forget one ingredient, you just add it in next. I got some radishes in there. Over to the stove top, I'm heating up some chili sauce with my already cooked shrimp, and then some sweet chili Thai sauce as well to get that heat and that sweetness together. Just some good high heat, get that all warmed up so you can toss it onto that big bowl of deliciousness already. All you have to do now is dig in, but if you're like me and like to make things look pretty, I'm going to add some microgreens on top, and I am going to serve it with some wedges of lime on the side as well. This isn't one of those recipes that I would call a salad because it is an entire meal. This is dinner. Maybe try my mango salad as an appetizer before this meal, then you can have a double salad dinner. Sounds healthy, right? Anyway, I love the flavors in this dish. I really enjoy making this, and if you don't like the heat, choose a milder sauce for your shrimp. Maybe do something with a little bit of Cajun spice instead of going with those hot chilies. But this is one of those dishes that I am super excited to share with you, and I hope that you try something like this, a variation of, at home. Thank you for coming by to the Silly Kitchen. I always love having you here. Till next time.